It doesn't help to build the world's best e-learning course if you can't share it. And that's why adding things like Twitter buttons to tweet your course is just a great idea. So using Twitter's web intents, and that you can find out more about that at dev.twitter.com and /docs, and I'll put this in the forum post. You can do a lot of neat things with setting up a Twitter button that's pre-populated or in a reply to someone or includes a URL. So here's what I wanted to do. I wanted to link back to the Articulate community. I wanted to add a little button here that said, hey, just tweet this awesome course. Here's what it looks like. There's a lot of different ways to do it, and I'll just make this available and you can just replace your own text with it. But let me just make this a little bit bigger. There's a couple things here, right? So you're going to begin it with the twitter.com intent, your original refer, and there's some extra coding in here that's just to ensure that the links work. But what you would want to change would be just the part right after this second F right here. And I just have community.articulate.com. Source is a Twitter button. Text, right? So advice and then %20, that's just a space, right? So you just need to type it out and then just, I would just copy and paste, right? The %20 and then type out a word, then click paste and type out another word just to get that in there so that's formatted correctly. And then finally the URL where you want them to go. And in this case, it's just the same URL up top. And that's it. Just add a trigger to your button. And it's in here. And of course, you can test it to verify before you publish it and everything. There it is. So it pops up the text that I added and adds this. Now, wait a minute. It didn't add the other. Let's make sure that I have that right because it just worked. So copy. Yes, so there you go. I might have had it just, I might have changed something. So there's the text right there and the link that I want to send the users, and then of course the referral mention on the Twitter. So just a fun way to add something to your courses. Who knows if you'll do it, but if you're showing portfolio pieces or projects that you want to be seen publicly, it's not a bad idea. So I'll go ahead and make this source file available in the forums along with the Word doc, so you can just copy the text link and then change it with your own info.